What's happening, Bimmerites? Beats here, and today we're headed back up to HB Racing to do some more work on my 2008 135i. Not exactly sure what we're going to be doing today. Got a few different options. I've had some parts come in, have some parts already at the shop, so we'll figure out exactly what we want to get into today when I get up there. But let's get to it. It's Bimmer time. I got an old man in an E46 M3 smoking a cigar behind me. Is he ready to run? Also got an A7, Audi A7 right in front of me, as you guys can see. I got a quick car in front and a quick car behind. Who's ready?
Morning. Stop, dude.
So, the only thing is we have like one or two things Mish has to do on Sarah's car.
Okay, so to give you guys a little bit of a lowdown on what's going on today, we're replacing the wheel hub assembly on my 2008 135i. Reason being, just about 2 to 3 weeks after getting the BMW back from being repaired due to accidents or due to damages from an accident, I'm going down the highway coming back from Turner Motorsports, and it's raining, dark, construction zone. Had been raining a lot. We were actually having a lot of flooding in the area and everything like that. And we hit a massive pothole. Destroyed the rim, snapped part of the brand new bumper, and obviously as well ruined the bearings, the wheel hub, whatever. It's easier on this car to just replace the hub than to try to replace the bearings. So whatever part of that it is, we're just replacing the whole thing. So that's what's going on.
Removing the wheel hubs, pretty easy. Basically just gonna remove the wheel, remove all the brakes, remove the rotors, and then comes off like no problem.
Right.
The hardest part's actually getting the back bolts, but give yourself a little room. And you're gonna have two 18s on the back.
Two 18s on the back. 18s or 16s. We'll see in a second.
Now, I recommend getting an impact gun. It makes your life 100 times easier if you don't have one.
There's a 2.
Just gotta compress it a little bit.
Just separating the brakes.
Yeah, just trying to compress it just a C hair so I can get it off no problem. Especially with these big heavy 6 piston calipers. You don't want to put a lot of stress on the rubber lines because they can damage them.
Which you're going to get to be stainless very soon.
Eventually. But for now, you just, tie a little piece of welding wire, 1B4, mechanics wire, anything you really got lying around. Doesn't have to be fancy, you're just trying to take some of the tension off.
We're talking muscle.
We're talking some fucking muscle.
Not the first time I've had to fight with these. Trick is, once you get it on the Allen, you just leave it on the Allen. You don't need that Allen anymore until you put it back on. So, that's the hub. Very, very simple to remove. I'm going to have to put it up in the air a little bit, but you got 4 bolts in the back. You just get them off. This is why I say get an impact gun, because if you do it by hand, it's going to really suck. So, recommend getting an impact gun to make your life easier. Don't fight with it. Right in there, you got those 4 bolts. She's coming.
Impact, impact.
Oh yeah. Don't even try it.
Without.
Oh yeah, I got that one.
Yeah.
Gun socks.
B Blaster.
It all looks fairly clean and in good condition though, huh? Overall?
They're just in there tight, yeah.
Yeah. So you got 4 big ones on the back there to take it out. Oh, much better. You gotta take something else off.
Yeah.
Thought that sounded too easy.
Yeah.
What
Drop that a little bit.
are you taking off there?
I'm taking the actual strut off the knuckle. So I got.
So that you can get access to the last bolt for the hub. Like every time we gotta take
Watch
off
it.
17 different things to.
Just get to one thing.
Yep. Unbelievable.
Isn't that half the fun?
This is why I could not do this without Jeff. Props to all of you guys that aren't BMW techs. Obviously, you've got to have a certain amount of knowledge to do this stuff. I mean, you can just wing it, I suppose, too. But, good luck to you.
You can be my wingman anytime.
I mean, if I knew we were going to do this, we could have just been replacing some suspension parts today.
Oh yeah. Build the front end.
That's
That's from automatic car washes.
wow. It's a big gouge. I do not take it in automatic car washes, so don't look at me. I'm not the first owner. He said he always forgets how much these suck.
Flying bolts.
Definitely gonna get you a tool belt for Christmas for not for tools so much, but well that would be handy too. But for belt for the bolts and nuts and everything.
Bolt toolbox.
Yeah.
I'm down.
Disconnecting the brake sensor.
This is ride height sensor.
Ride height sensor. Why do I have a ride height sensor?
So that your car knows if your suspension is compressing. If you I see that coming off.
No.
I got one of the clips.
Huh?
I got one of the clips.
Yeah.
Go!
I think it'll stay on, right? The plastic gets fucking dry and brittle, I mean. Look at that big, beautiful Brembo brake caliper hanging there. Oh, it's so manly! Between his beard and his muscles.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Whoa! You almost killed. Watch it!
Almost killed myself.
Yep. I'm standing back here so I'm safe. Hey, look, we took my whole car apart.
Almost.
What's that? There's a screw you need to remove? Do you have a week to do it?
Pretty much. You have a spare week in your life to play with a car. If yes, BMWs are for you. Now the best part.
Actually getting it off. Yay!
Easy as that.
And after removing, you know, the whole front driver's side suspension, not quite, but you know, a bunch of stuff, as you already just saw, we finally now have the hub off. Yay!
Not too bad.
No. Could have been better.
Hey, it's BMW.
Still, dude, love the car. Still worth it. I mean, because I have you. Not most cars are that, like, closed up underneath, you know? Alright, the new assembly. I was going to say mounted up, but it's not. Just mocked up. There we go. Shiny metal. Always makes me feel good. Sweet zip tie bumper fix.
Mm-hmm. Zip ties fix the world.
Alright, just a little heads up. It did take a little teamwork to make the dream work there. I was helping push up on it, on the knuckle. Well, Jeff was banging on it so that we could get the suspension put back together.
What's that you're putting back together exactly right now? Oh,
Putting the strut back in.
strut bolt?
That's
Did you say the Usain bolt you're putting back in?
insane bolt.
I'm gonna hold this all the way. Fucking brake calipers with a ton. It's actually going out when you're tapping up. It is, seriously. Yeah. Like when you go down, watch that clip there. Watch the clip. When you pound it from the top, it's going the right way, but when you go the other way, it's just moving it away. Nah, it's doing nothing. You're almost there, but...
3 hours later.
Check everything on right height and good to go.
So if you ever remove any BMW bushings, you have to tighten them under ride height. So basically,
Under compression.
right. So, of course, it's right where the fucking
Stand is, yeah.
stand is.
Yep.
How it always works. So, you're gonna want to compress it. If you don't have a lift and a pogo stick, you can just use a jack. You just on jack stands. And he's good to go. Okay, go back up.
Give her a little what? Ooga juggas?
So, on the safe side, with wheels, you do 3 ooga doogas. So, 1, 3 ooga doogas. That's not coming off. But, we do have torque sticks too, just to double check.
I got one in the trunk too.
You got a torque stick in the trunk?
Yep.
Perfect. And now,
You got tools under there and bolts under there.
now no play.
Were those my old bolts? Yeah, that play was like, here, bring it up a little bit.
Okay, so I'd say all in total, with a little bit of my help and Jeff's expertise, that took us about 1 hour to get that replaced. Would you say that's good?
Probably about that, yeah.
Yeah, so about 1 hour, just so you guys know. So that does it for this episode. Hope it helped you. We'll see you in the next one. Make sure to like and smash that subscribe button. We'll see you next time. It's Bimmer time.